Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant keeps crashing mid-game. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to update graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, open the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, just close stuff here. Now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2 is to adjust in-game graphics settings. High settings can sometimes cause instability, especially on low-end systems. Try lowering your graphics settings, lower texture quality and analyzing and other graphical effects. Set the game to run at 60 fps or cap the frame rate to reduce the stress on your hardware and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3 is to close background applications. Some background apps can cause conflicts with Valorant, especially if they use up too many system resources or overlays over the game. For example, Discord, MSI Afterburner, GeForce Experience. If it is running, then you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. And any unnecessary applications running in the background, just by right click on it and select end task like this, and after that just close stuff here. Now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4 is to disable full screen optimizations. Full screen optimizations in Windows can cause crashes in certain games. To fix that, you just need to right click on the Valorant and select properties. Select compatibility tab and you just need to check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5 is to run Valorant as administrator. Sometimes Valorant needs elevated permissions to run properly. To do this, just need to right click on the Valorant and select run as administrator and select yes and open the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 6 guys. Method 6 is to adjust virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type view advanced system settings, click on open it. Under performance select settings, select advanced tab and under virtual memory select change. Now uncheck this option guys, automatically manage pegging file size for all drives. In this drive list you just need to select the C drive, select a custom size and now check my video description for these values. Now you need to find how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, you just need to go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. In here you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. In my case I have 16 GB of RAM. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to copy the value depends on your RAM. In my case 16 GB RAM, copy this value and paste in the installer size and the maximum size. Copy the value depends on your RAM and paste it in the maximum size and select the set option to set these values. Now the values should be listed under the pegging file size. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Click on OK and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 7 guys. Method 7 is to repair game files. To do this, open up Riot Games. You just need to select the profile icon and select settings. On left side select Valorant. Select the repair option. Select OK. If it is good to go, click on OK And now check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 8 guys. Method 8 is to disable overclocking. If your CPU or GPU is overclocked, it could cause instability and crashes in Valorant. Try resetting your hardware to factory settings and open your motherboard or GPU overclocking software and rev it to default clock speeds and then launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.